आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Hello, hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, onto your screen you are watching a very creative handcrafted ideas of centerpieces, but in this photo stream video you will watch till end the wonderful coffee table centerpieces ideas. So watch the video till end. Enjoy these handcrafted coffee table centerpieces ideas for every event and for every occasions with the going seasons also. And you will like the video till end, and if you like one of the idea from this video, then write us in the comment section. And if you doesn't like the idea, then write us also. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you doesn't like the video, then also don't forget to press the thumbs down button, so that we know how many viewers like our videos and how many viewers doesn't like our videos. Viewers, now let's move on and begin to watch a great ideas of coffee table centerpieces, and which are tired 2-tier or 3-tier centerpieces. Personally, I like the best, and very nice attractive pieces they are. Totally handmade and handcrafted these are, and you will enjoy it also very wonderfully, very beautifully. Very nice one. This is again the contrasts of the pots are beautiful, blue, yellow and white. And this one is nice, as you can watching that mostly the decoration of these centerpieces are with the cardboard things. So you will make it by yourself by watching this video till end. And this is, as you can watching on your screen, the wonderful tire centerpieces styles are very nice. And this is amazing one, very wonderful style. And this is also very nice one. This is the color combination is very nice, beautiful crafted, again very nicely combinations of cardboards and wooden trays, and beautiful one again. Beautifully cute and hot ticks, beautiful. Viewers, into this video you will find that Easter is not now and not a season of Easter this is, but the centerpieces are put like for the Easter. This is not for the Easter, these are the ideas so that you can make it by yourself for any event by looking the ideas how you will decorate the centerpieces. And now viewers, here I'm going to remind you about the subscription of the channel, or don't forget to write us that from which city and from which country you are watching us, so that we can give you a lot of love and a thanks from the bottom of our heart for watching us, for supporting our videos by watching our videos on to daily basis. And now this is amazing one, the beads necklace are here and it gives a wonderful look. And now this is amazing styles, a wonderful colorful fresh start of centerpieces these are, and amazing again the bead necklace is in it, and this is amazing, beautiful one. This is amazing one, very nice style, wonderful style again in front of you, beautiful one, very nice one. Viewers, here I'm going to remind you that if you are new onto my channel and you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon. Also visit the channel for more trending and modern advanced ideas of interiors, decorations, centerpieces and pot planters are to decor life. And don't forget to write us that which thing you want to watch onto our channel, from the interiors, pot planters, decorations and centerpieces. Share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself. We'll be right back with the new interesting ideas. Till then, bye bye, take care. Hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed the video. Remind us into your prayers. Don't forget to write us about your opinions of the videos.